In the heart of the 16th century emerged one of England's most iconic figures, Queen Elizabeth I. Ascending the throne in 1558, Elizabeth weaved an era of unprecedented prosperity and religious compromise, nourishing a realm consumed by discord into a golden age of unity and vibrancy. Under her skilled reign, England burgeoned into a powerhouse of exploration and patronage of arts. Defying the conventional bounds, her reign bore witness to the valiant exploits of Sir Francis Drake and Walter Raleigh, and provided an enriched soil for the seeds of Shakespeare's brilliance to germinate, causing the world to marvel at England's supremacy. Elizabeth's glorified reign was punctuated by strategic diplomacy and political astuteness. As a shrewd monarch, she adroitly kept the wolves of Europe at bay by entertaining various suitors, yet maintaining her iconic singlehood. In doing so, she masterfully wielded the weapon of ambiguity, preserving England's sovereignty while mitigating external aggression. Astoundingly, Elizabeth's pinnacle of glory shone amidst the storm clouds of potential invasion. The pivotal win against the seemingly invincible Spanish Armada in 1588 burgeoned England's naval prestige, propelling her confidently onto the world stage. Evermore, Elizabeth was celebrated as the veritable Gloriana, the symbol of national resistance and prowess. More than a monarch, Elizabeth personified the spirit of an era that witnessed a paradigm shift from mediocrity to excellence. The reign of this golden age monarch, studded with diamond moments of brilliance, courage, and wisdom, unfolded an unparalleled chapter in England's history, portraying Elizabeth I not only as a queen, but as the indomitable architect of an age.